Hey guys, so this is a new one for me. We are doing our very first nail video. I've never done one of these here on my channel, and it was highly requested since you guys know that I stopped doing my nails at a salon and started doing them at home. I just pulled off my nails. It was about almost 2 weeks that I had them on, and if you guys can see by my nails, I have pretty short nail beds. Right now they look amazing because I've had nails on, but I am a nail chewer. I don't think I've ever told anybody this, but I'm an avid nail chewer. I've chewed my nails since I was really little, and I've always had fake nails because if I get nervous or stressed out or anything, I'll start biting my nails. I was doing my nails for a very, very long time, and because of that, I was spending so much money getting my nails done, and I needed to find a much more less cost-effective way of managing my nails. So I'm going to show you guys all the steps I take to put my nails on. I've only been doing this for about 6 months or so, so I'm sure that it's possible that I might be missing a couple tips and tricks here, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Laid out 3 options that I currently have in my collection. 2 of them are by Kiss, and then this one right here is by Ardell. I wanna say that these are a lot newer because I've never seen these. The Kiss Fantasy, Gel Fantasy ones, I do know are newer to their collection, so I went out and I bought them. And then these here have some jewels and stuff on them. If you look at the top, usually on the Kiss, I don't know about the Ardell, but on the Kiss brand, if you look at the top right, it will show you what size they are. So this one here is a medium, and then this is obviously a long. My nails tend to do a lot better with nails that are more on the short spectrum. So this here is the set that I had on before, and these are considered their short nails. And I tend to find that these sit a lot better with my nails, and they just tend to last a little bit longer. I don't think I have a full set to do all of my nails, so I'm gonna decide, so I thought I'd try out one of these. So I'm not gonna use this one this week just because this is long and I need my nail bed to be a little bit longer in order to use these. These both retailed for about $9, and then the Kiss Gel Fantasy, because they are newer, retailed for, I wanna say about $10 or $11. If you find the ones that are the short brand like these, you can get these for as cheap as $7. So I think I'm gonna do the Kiss ones and then save this one for when I go to Vegas. So we need a filer, so I'm just gonna grab this one. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You can pick out any one. Some of the brands even come with like their own little nail filer that you can grab. So I don't know what this is called, but it's for your cuticles. You're gonna need one of those because you're gonna wanna push back your cuticles and clean everything up. So you can use the nail glue that comes with the kit, and I find the one that comes with the Kiss nails actually works pretty decent. It looks like this right here. So you can use this. This is what I've used for a while. Lately, I've been using this one, which is their fast drying or their maximum speed one. This retails for about $2.99 or something like that, and it works a lot better. So either or, they both work. I just always recommend keeping one in your purse because sometimes they pop off. So this one does only claim to work for 7 days. Like I said, if you do it correctly, I find that these will work a little bit longer than that. So usually your kit will come with something like this. So it comes with like a little wooden cuticle thing. It comes with a filer that I have already. So I just took off my wedding rings so that they wouldn't get dusty from my filing and stuff. I just colored my hair so my nails are a little stained. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to just go in and start working on my cuticles. Pushed back my cuticles. I really didn't have as much as I thought I would, which is good, but I just recently did it also, so it's just, you know, small maintenance to do, and just pushing back your nails really just helps kind of make everything look cleaner. And when you have the base of the nail pressed up against your cuticle, it just looks like it looks nicer and cleaner. So I always recommend doing that. Next thing we're going to go in with is the nail filer. So you can take either or. This one I got at the Dollar Tree. This is one that comes with the kit. You can get really close in there, and you could even push, you know, the cuticle back with the rounded part of the base and just really make sure that you're filing it all. I want to make sure that I'm getting all of the residual glue if there is any left off of my nail, so that way the new nail has a nice good base to work with. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start filing my nails, and I'm going to just use this one because that's the one that comes in the box. So that way if you guys are following along, you guys can see how I do it. So like you can see, I do have some glue left over right there, so I'm really gonna focus filing this down. So now that the nails are done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my nail set and I'm going to start figuring out which nails are gonna fit on what. Okay, so here is what I have right now. When I get a box of nails, usually the first set of nails, I never have issues finding which nail goes on what, and I really ever have to file them down. It's usually with the second set. So when you go in with the next set of nails from your kit, I know for a fact I'll have to go in, and if I put it here, like this one actually works, but normally with my second set, I might have to go in and like this one right here, you can see it's just way too big. I'd have to go in and file down the edges. So just keep in mind that you may have to do some filing on the edges just to really get it to kind of fit on your nail. But this is what I'm going to be working with today. I'm going to go upstairs really quick and wash my hands, and then you want to make sure that they're really dry. So you may have to wait about a minute or two just to make sure that the nail itself is dry and ready to go. So let me go wash my hands. It took me a little bit longer to get done just because I was eating lunch. So we're going to finish off with the nails. Now, you guys are probably going to be like, why are you doing this again? You just washed your hands. So just like any nail salon, once you get done like filing and stuff, I like to wash my hands because I like to, you know, I want to have like a clean set of nails put on. I take my nail filer and I like to start on my right hand first. I find that working on my right hand first is easier, so however you like to do it. And I'm just going to lightly file my nail, just lightly. Nothing crazy, not like before. You just want to lightly file it so there's a little grit to it. Then what I do is I go on the back of the nail. What I like to do is I like to then take my filer and again do the same thing. I'm just going to file just a little bit on the inside right here where the nail glue is going to go and the edge. And I just find that doing this gets it gritty, like I said, and it really helps bind the nail really well. I'm going to take a little bit of glue, put a little bit of glue down. I'm going to push the nail right on top of it, and I'm going to push down and hold for about 5 seconds. Kind of really making sure that when I press, I'm going from side to side. And there you have it, just like that. I do have a towel with a little bit of water. It's not like super wet, but just in case you get any glue on the edges of the nail, you can kind of wipe it off and it won't ruin the nail. So there we have it. What I have found is with nails that kind of have this design with the glitter all over them, sometimes I find that the edges can be a little gritty and it bothers my nail a little bit. So I just like to smooth out the nail a little bit. I only find that it happens with the nails that are filled with glitter though. So I'm just going around the edges and just making sure that it's filed down nicely. All right, so there is one set of nails, and then that is my bare nail. All right, you guys, so here we are. We have a full set of nails on. They are all on. What I'll do for about the next 20 minutes is just sit and kind of just keep pressing like this for a little bit just to make sure that they're really on there. From start to finish, this normally takes me like 15-20 minutes, and I usually do it while I'm watching TV. So this is everything. This is my nail set, you guys. Just a couple of tips for you guys, for those of you guys wondering, just like in between maintenance. So they are press-on nails. They will pop off. They can pop off. If they do, all I do is take my nail file and I'll just file my nail again, and then I'll also file the glue. Make sure any residual glue that you can get off, make sure to get it off the nail and your nail, and then just repress it back on with some glue and you'll be good to go. I hope you guys like this nail tutorial. That is my before. Here's my after. If you guys wanted me to do it again with another set of nails, I definitely can. Or if you see another brand that you thought you want me to try out, I can. Thank you so much for the request on the nail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will subscribe. This is my first nail tutorial, but if you guys want to see maybe you have other recommendations on what you'd like to see as far as a nail video goes, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.